I guess welcome back to our channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to reset JBL Wave Flex. If you want to reset your JBL Wave Flex, then you will need to follow some steps. First, unpair from your device. Disconnect the earbuds from any connected devices. Go to your Bluetooth device settings, locate JBL Wave Flex and select forget or remove device. Second, turn off the earbuds. Place the earbuds in the charging case and ensure they are powered off. Third, perform the reset. While the earbuds are in the charging case, ensure the lid open. Press and hold the reset button or malfunction touch button on the earbuds for 10 to 15 seconds. The exact button placement may vary, so check the manual if unsure. Then wait for the indicator. Look for flashing LED, usually white or red, to confirm the reset is complete. The earbuds will power off and restart automatically. And in the last, reconnect to your device. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.